Okay, got another pistol from UMAREX. This is the Glock 17 Gen 5 MOS BLK, which is a CO2 pellet shooter. Let's see what you get in the box. Obviously, manuals, small Allen key for the MOS, and here's the pistol. So as you can see, it's a black pistol, and this is the difference. It's the MOS, so you can fit sights onto this using UMAREX plates, or indeed any other plates, but you can get specific plates for this from them. It's a belt-fed 177 pistol shooter, pellet shooter, that you put your gas canister in and feed your 177 pellets from the side. Looking forward to having a go with this. We've got a similar one, a few Glocks that are the BB pistols, BB shooters. So I'd like to run a bit of a comparison of accuracy on these, because obviously this is meant to be more accurate. What else you get? You get your Allen wrench for fitting your CO2, and that's everything in the box. So yeah, Glock 17 Gen 5 CO2 177 pellet shooter from UMAREX. Can't wait to get out on the range and see how she does. Shoot safe, stay safe, catch you on the next one. Cheers.